The Magical Kite Adventure. Once upon a time, in a small town nestled between rolling hills and lush green forests, lived two best friends named Lily and Max. They were inseparable and shared a love for adventure. One sunny day, as they were playing in the park, they found an old, tattered kite hidden in the bushes. Excitedly, they decided to repair it. Little did they know, this was no ordinary kite, it was a magical kite that could fly them to far-off lands. As soon as the kite caught the wind, Lily and Max found themselves soaring high above the clouds. With a sense of wonder, they landed in a land filled with talking animals and colorful flowers. The animals were friendly and welcomed the children warmly. The duo embarked on a quest to help their new animal friends. They assisted a wise old owl in finding his lost glasses, helped a squirrel gather nuts for winter, and even taught a group of birds how to sing a cheerful melody. In return for their kindness, the animals gave Lily and Max magical tokens. These tokens had the power to grant wishes. The children, being selfless and kind, wished for happiness and prosperity for everyone in their town. With their wishes granted, Lily and Max bid farewell to their new friends and flew back home on their magical kite. When they landed in the park, they realized that no time had passed at all. It was as if their magical adventure had been just a dream. But the town was different. It was filled with laughter, kindness, and a sense of unity. The happiness they had wished for had come true, and the town was forever changed. And so, the tale of Lily and Max's magical kite adventure spread throughout the town, reminding everyone of the power of kindness and the magic that exists in the hearts of those who believe in it. And they all lived happily ever after. The end.